In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Patreon account. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Patreon website. Patreon is a platform where creators can build communities and offer content or perks to supporters. So this setup process is the first step toward creating your page and getting everything ready. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click it. This will take you into the account creation flow. Patreon is designed to guide you through the process in a straightforward way, so just follow each screen carefully and take your time reading the options. Next, choose the option to continue with an existing account and then select the account you want to use. Depending on your device and browser, you may see a list of available accounts you're already signed into. Pick the one you want connected to your Patreon profile. This can make sign up quicker since some of your basic information may already be linked through that sign-in method. After that, you'll be asked to enter a page name. This is an important part of your setup because it becomes the name people will associate with your creator page. Try to choose something clear, recognizable, and consistent with your brand, channel, or creative identity. If you already use the same name on other platforms, it's usually a good idea to keep it consistent here as well. Once your P name is entered, click Continue. Patreon may then move you through another setup screen, and again, you'll simply click Continue to keep going. These intermediate pages are part of the onboarding process and help Patreon understand how you want to set up your creator account. Next, you'll come to the section that asks what you create. Here, choose the category that best matches your work. This could be things like video, writing, music, art, podcasts, or another creative format. Selecting the right category helps Patreon tailor your setup experience and can also make your page clearer for future supporters. After choosing what you create, click Continue one more time. At this point, you've completed the main steps to create your Patreon account and begin setting up your creator page. As a quick tip, make sure the information you choose, especially your page name and creator category, reflects how you want to present yourself publicly. A strong setup from the beginning makes the rest of the process smoother as you continue building out your page. And that's it. You now know how to create your Patreon account.